Hi friends, this is the Letyet 10-inch selfie ring light with tripod stand and phone holder. So this can be used for live stream, makeup, 3 mode, 10 level dimmable camera ring light for YouTube videos, TikTok, compatible with iPhone and Android. So this comes in good packing, and I will open the pack, and you can see that there is some tutorial or the operation manual that how to use this light, and this have like small button that shows the mode of key, like on and off switch, your up and down key, and then the type selector. This shows different size, and this is the 10-inch selfie ring light that I'm showing you here. So this is the nice case that the tripod stand is here, and you can see that these have a 3 legs tripod stand with different level of heights, and this we can arrange to 16-inch, 31.5-inch and 45-inch height with these 3 levers as I shown. This is the 3 legs that we can of course put it down on the floor for maintaining the steadiness of this tripod. So this box have some accessory for the mobile holder, and you can see this one is like the mobile holder, this one is the automatic Bluetooth attachment key that you can connect for taking photos from a distance. This is the flexible neck and the 360-degree rotating wall. And in this box we have the actual 10-inch light. So you can see here, this is the 10-inch light. This is pretty lightweight, and this is the USB cable to give or supply power to this ring. And this USB can be used in conjunction with your laptops, PCs, power bank, USB chargers, or any other sort of thing. So this make it very easy to carry. This is the button thing for the light. So I'm putting this into my USB, and this is the on and off switch. So this have actually 3 types of light: white, warm white and yellow. So there is a button to change the light, and then to make it up and down you have like 10 different light brightness settings. So you can arrange the brightness up and down like with the 10 unit or 10 level brightness thing. So yellow, white and warm white. So with this you can see like you can arrange this to different 30 kinds of light brightness, and it's pretty good that you can arrange it based on your occasion, for what occasion you want this. And now I will try to show you the tripod setting. You have to pull this lever, just loosen this up and then put this down so that the legs will open to stand still. So here I see like you can stand still, then you have to tighten this knob so that the leg will not go back into the place. And here it's a sturdy leg, sturdy tripod that fits really well on the ground. And as I mentioned earlier, there are 3 different heights that this can be used for different occasion. So I'm trying to show the sturdiness of this tripod and with this socket and knobs you can see like the springy 3 legs. All the legs are really sturdy on the ground. Right now I'm using it on the carpet, but it can go well on the hardwood floors or any other type of floors as well. So this is actually the socket with the 360-degree rotation thing, and you can fit this on the top of this tripod. So here on the top of this tripod there is the knob that you can put this into. This is actually a connector between the light and your tripod, and you can also put the light directly on this tripod without this angle setting. So if you want a steady one pose, you can use it without this, and if you want it like a little turning around thing or the 360 angle, you can use this connection and thing. So as I mentioned about the height, these are the knobs that you can use, or loosen it up and then stretch it for the maximum height of around 42 inches. So as I mentioned, there's a 16 inch, 31.5 inch and around 45 inch. The maximum height is around 45 inches. And here this is for the mobile holder. So you have to loosen this cap up, put this knob into the mobile holder and put the cap back up, so that this will tighten this and your mobile holder is ready to go. You can put this into the LED light ring inside that. So I will show you that as well. So this is really good flexible, so can hold any size of mobile. So I put it inside this LED light here. You can see that it goes inside in this socket, and now you can put in your mobile, and then this light can goes on top of this light. So as I said that you can use it with and without. I will prefer it using the position knob, so that I can manage its direction and its flexibility. So I use this, and you have to loosen and tighten the knob to adjust it properly, and it can goes to any level. I'm putting it right now with my mobile to face down, and this is the Bluetooth key, or I will say a Bluetooth switch that comes with it, that you can use to control your mobile. So this can be used for both iOS and Android phones. Pretty easy to connect. I connected it with my Android phone, and it's pretty easy to connect and easy to take the photos with it. With one click you can take the photo from the distance. So I put in a mobile here, and I'm trying to show you how it goes. So I'm trying to adjust it so that I can just face it down with the mobile. I'm trying to use this different light settings here so that I can see it properly, but somehow my mobile or my camera is actually recording the reflection on the top of the mobile screen. So this is not the reflection on the object, it's a reflection on the screen from where I'm taking the camera. So that will not, of course, make any issue with your settings or with your taking photos. And then here's the sturdy tripod, a good light, and easy to carry with 3D vision, 3 different lights. A really good product for selfie and other videos.